Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important pipe symbol from Angular, that is currency. Okay, so we are going to talk about currency symbol. We will try to understand the syntax, structure, and we will also create one example from scratch. Okay, but before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular, how to use the Angular pipe currency. Okay, alright, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we should go to this app.component.ts file. In this TS file, we have to put one module that will provide us all these pipes and the basic directives. Although like we are not going to use directives here, but it comes with the directives. Okay, so just keep in mind. Now we wanted to use the currency pipe. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to put this you just need to go to import section, and here you can write common module and press enter. Okay, so once you write common module and press enter, it will automatically add this line into code, which is common module is imported. Okay, so that means your common module is imported. Now you are okay, let me remove it for now. Okay, so yeah, so now you can see common module is successfully imported. That means now we can easily utilize this pipe symbol of currency. Okay, now another thing, like here either you can declare one variable where you can hold the numeric value, and then you can change it using the currency pipe. But I'm going to show you in a very simple way. So instead of declaring it here, I will just simply use the numbers in the expression itself. Okay, so let's see how we will do it. So for now, we just need to add this common module in this TS file. Now we will click on app.component.html. Here you can see we have got this heading, which is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After this, we will add another heading, that is H2, where we will mention currency pipe in Angular. Okay, currency pipe in Angular. This is our agenda. So let's try to run this as it is, and then we will step by step proceed with further thing. Okay, so ng serve -- open, enter. Let's wait for a few seconds, then it will show you the output, and here you can see we have got the required two headings. One is Angular 19 course by Sharmit, and another one is currency pipe in Angular. Now after this, what we will do, we will simply write one paragraph, and in this paragraph we will mention, let me expand it so that you can see it properly. Here we will write value without any currency pipe. Okay, so here we are not applying any currency pipe, we will just simply put the values. So for example, you can put any numbers, but here let's say, but try with decimal number so that you can see like how it is working. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll just simply put one number here, like 4567.89, 4567.89. so this is my number. Now you can save it and refresh the browser. So you will see that value without any currency pipe is 4567.89. Now next, what we will do, we will simply add another paragraph here, p tag, and here we will write value with currency pipe, and here we will write inside a bracket default. Okay, then colon and then double curly braces. Inside this we will write 4567.89, then pipe operator, and after that we will write here currency. Perfect. Now you can save it and refresh the browser. So you will see that value is coming, but with a dollar symbol. So that means the default currency is set as dollar. Okay, we have got the value. This time we are using the currency pipe, but with a default value, that is dollar. Now there might be a requirement in project that we want to show it, but in terms of Indian currency, we don't want to use dollar, right? So in that case, what you can do, you can simply use the further parameters of this currency pipe. I'll show you. So you just need to add another paragraph. So let me put numbers so that you can easily note it down when you are preparing some notes or something. and it would be easy for you. Okay, so let me write it properly. Okay, so now we will add another paragraph here. In this paragraph we will write 3 dot value with currency pipe INR. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to Indian rupees, or maybe we can write Indian rupees. Okay, let me put colon here, double curly braces here, then we will write 4567.89, then colon, the pipe symbol, then currency, and after a currency we will put colon, and here we will write INR. So let's see, save that, and you can see now the currency is coming but with the rupee symbol. Why? Because we have so by default it is rupee. Okay, but sometime you might have seen that INR is also there, right? Instead of rupee symbol, the value comes with the INR, right? So how to add that? So to add this, what you can do, let me copy paste it just for the same, for saving my time. So here we will write 4 Indian rupee with INR. Okay, so to add this thing, what you can do, initial things would be same, numbers would be same, pipe would be same, currency, then colon, then INR, and after that here we will write code. Okay, now save it and refresh it. So you will see that this time value is coming with a INR. Now here in place of code we can either put symbol or code. So what symbol will do? Let's say if I am providing here symbol, so symbol, if I write symbol and save it, it will show the rupee symbol only. Okay, that means the by default value for this is symbol, that is rupee symbol. Okay, so don't get confused like why we are getting symbol even without passing it. So like if you have passed the code of the currency, then you can either use code. If you want to go with a code like this INR, so you can write like this, otherwise you can write the like symbol. Okay, let me put symbol only. Okay, now do we have any other paragraph parameters? Yes, we have. So in that case, let me copy it again. Why I'm explaining this in a different paragraph, because I just want to make sure that you got the point what I want to deliver, and like these all condition can be utilized in projects as per the requirement of the project. So that is why it is so important for us to learn it properly. Okay, so here in the 5th point, what I'll do, I'll just make it 5th, and here I will write symbol. After symbol we will write here colon, and then we will put some values. I'll put the value and then I'll explain. Okay, so 1.2 hyphen 2, then colon, and then we will put here another value which is en hyphen in. Perfect. Now save it and refresh it. So you will see any difference? Not here. Let me tell you what we are doing with this. So typically like people got confused between last two parameters because it seems a bit difficult, but it's not that difficult, it's simple. So here the one is representing, this one is representing that minimum 1 digit before the decimal value should be there, minimum 1 digit. Okay, then we have 2. This 2 is denoting that minimum 2 digit after the decimal should be there. Okay, minimum 2. Then we have this 2 after the hyphen. This is denoting that maximum 2 digits after the decimal should be there. So in short, with these three numbers we are telling the browser that there should be 1 digit, we are telling the pipe symbol that there should be minimum 1 digit before the decimal, minimum 2 digit after the decimal, and maximum 2 digit after the decimal also. Okay, so this is the thing regarding this. Now we have locale. Locales means you know that in India we put numbers in lakhs, crores, right? So if you want to follow a particular country locale, here you can say we are using en hyphen in, which is denoting Indian locale. Okay, so what it will do, it will put 1000 separator, it will separate the 1000 with comma, decimal with point, and use the lakhs, crores formatting. Clear? So basically it is used for formatting purpose. So I think this this example is clear for all of you. like how we can use it in order to change the currency. Same thing you can do with variables also, like if you can create any variable and then you can use it. Okay, but I hope this part is clear. So in the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.